Are you a business owner? Tired of having to waste money on conventional marketing that does not seem to work? It is time to try a smarter and unique solution. You see, most people are unaware of just how big a role their subconscious plays in their decision-making. So how can you as a business person take advantage of these knowledge to propel your business to success? Simply get the Business Wiggler. This is a set of audio tracks that have been metaphysically and energetically charged with subtle and powerful affirmations. Although inaudible to the conscious mind, these subtle messages get picked up by the subconscious, which then influence your customers' decisions and emotions while in your store. Or simply add to marketing video online and witness the massive sales flowing in. And to help you maximize your success with this amazing product, you will also be able to get an ebook and more recorded tracks that are designed to raise your own subtle energies while attracting success, health and miracles your way. Try this tested and proven business success approach for 80% off by clicking on the link below now.